Hello, boys and girls. It's alphabet time. Today we're going to look at letters and numbers. Our game today will be, is it a letter or a number? We'll look at some letters and numbers. If it's a letter and you know it, tell me the sound. What is it? Is it a letter or is it a number? It's the letter Q. Oh, what sound does Q make? Qua. Let's see. Here we have our T-chart. I'm going to show you just a little bit more. You can see it. Is it a letter or number? Letters or numbers on this side? Where will it go? Q. It's a letter. Let's try another one. What is it? Y. Y says yeah, like yogurt and yo-yo and yam. Letter or number? That's right, it's on the side with letters. Look at that one. Is it a letter or is it a number? That's right, it's the number 8. So it will go on the side with numbers. The last one? That's right, it's a number. This one's a little confusing. Looks like a 6, but it is a 9. 9 comes before 10. And it will go on the side with numbers. Keep practicing. Most of you recognize what's the difference between letters and numbers, but if you don't, keep trying.